What's up? I'm going to be making a Cortadito Mocha. So that's going to be in my recipe, my personal recipe for this, whatever, because not a lot of places make this. And you'll quickly see why. It's going to be 15 grams. I'm going to grind it up. Going to put a layer of brown sugar right here. Extract the shots. Add a bit of chocolate powder to that. And finish it off with steamed half and half. So there's a lot to this, so I'm just gonna get going. 15 grams. Or maybe like at the top of 14, honestly. Fifteen, 14. Perfect. So I'm underdosing because I'm gonna add a layer of that to it. We'll use this one. We'll use this pitcher for this drink. I think we'll have better chances of getting latte art with it. And I'm also like getting used to that shape too. So I'm gonna like do like a rough tamp right there. Gonna get our 1 teaspoon measuring spoon out. And I usually go for exactly 1 teaspoon, maybe a bit less, honestly. Whatever I do here, I just don't want to overfill. Maybe a bit more. That should be fine. Plop it right there in the middle. And this is why a lot of shops probably don't make this drink, because, or at least don't make this drink like how it's traditionally done. Because using brown sugar like this and putting it right into your spout can lead to issues if you don't clean it out properly. Like for me, I clean it out properly. And I've already done like a whole cleaning cycle with this machine. I even took the screen out and everything, and it looked perfect in there. And that's because I've always done the clean me. I've always wiped it down after I make this drink. I've always purged it. So I have had 0 problems. But if you're a shop or if you're a newer barista and you don't know how to clean this thing properly, I would maybe stay away from this drink. But if you know how to keep your stuff clean, this is one of the best drinks you can make for yourself. It's amazing. I love this drink so much. Anyway, now we're going to tamp. Hard tamp is perfectly fine with this one. Look at that. It's always so cool looking. Hope y'all can see that okay. Put that up there. We're going to use this cup. I'm going to pull a split shot. I don't need a ton of espresso stuff right now. Middle of the day. Also, I can adjust that a bit. All right, perfect. Pull the double. And yeah, get the milk. We don't need that. We don't need this. We need this. We need, oh yeah, not milk, half and half. What am I talking about? Shot looks perfect. Gonna pour like right up there to the middle. I'm also gonna grab our cocoa. You know, I may need that measuring spoon actually. All right, here's our cocoa. Clean this off real quick. Make sure this is nice and dry. Take our Cortadito shot. Or this is actually a Cubano. At this second in time, this is a Cubano. But we're going to turn it into a Cortadito. Cortadito Mocha. Alright, that's all good. Mix it up. And while that's mixing, heat up our steam wine. I love this matcha spoon. It's not only good for, you know, scooping the perfect amount of matcha, but it's also great for mixing in stuff in espresso. Cool. I'm also gonna grab our powder. just gonna do this like a normal latte. Not gonna let too much air in. Gonna let just enough air in until I see the texture come in. All right, I think we got good texture. I'll keep it going for a second longer, and yeah, like half and half froths so beautifully. Like it froths like milk, but honestly, I think it's a bit smoother than milk. But I love froth in half and half. It always looks so cool. All right, now we're just basically heating this up at this point. All right, we're hot. Clean the thing off. Pour cocoa. And pray we get good latte art. Come on, I can save it. I can still save it. You know, it's good enough. You know, I could probably still save it. Hold on. Pour from top like that. Then, there we go. We got a heart. Made a bit of a mess, it's all good. Espresso's fun like that, especially when you're trying to nail the latte art. Hold on, we can clean it off for presentation at least. And there y'all have it. Make sure I'm centered. It's so hard for me to like center this thing because I can't really see my phone screen right now. But yeah, Cortadito Mocha. So, shot of espresso extracted with a layer of brown sugar, actual chocolate powder for the mocha, and steamed half and half. It's an amazing drink. I highly recommend if you know how to clean your machine well. And yeah, thanks for watching as always, y'all.